Welcome, 8th class students. PS lesson. Okay. Now we are discussing about synthetic fibers. In one type of synthetic fiber is acrylic. Acrylic is nothing but wool, artificial wool. Acrylic is artificial wool. Original wool is two caste and artificial wool is low caste. Okay. Now discuss about the what is acrylic and how it is prepared. Okay. Acrylic. All the winter wear nowadays is made of synthetic fiber called acrylic. Today we are using all sweaters, mufflers, everything with acrylic only. If it is original wool to cost, common man cannot buy it. But acrylic wool, all the people, common man, can buy it and use it. Okay. It looks like natural wool. It is generally called fake fur. Fake fur means it is not original fur. Okay. Acrylic, it looks like natural wool. It is generally called fake fur. Fake fur means it is not original. Okay. This is a sweater. It is wool sweater, but it is acrylic. It is not pure wool. Pure wool means from sheep or camel or rabbit, like this. Okay. What is this? This is a pure wool. Some difference is there, but looks like a wool. Okay. It is pure wool. It is from sheep. Next, this is muffler. It is not pure wool. It is acrylic, artificial wool. Okay. And this is synthetic fiber. And this is socks. The socks is also a wool cloth and it is acrylic. Okay. Now, see how it is prepared. It is made from a combination of coal, air, water, oil and limestone. Coal means you know, coal, well. Now air, water, oil. Oil means it is not the oil of we are using in the kitchen. It is a special oil and limestone. Okay. All these are used and the chemical reaction is going on in these substances and then the acrylic is prepared. Okay. It is spun by either by dry spinning or wet spinning. Acrylic fiber is made from these substances and chemical reactions is going on and then the fiber is made. Acrylic, it is spun by either dry spinning or wet spinning. Dry means no water. Okay. Wet spinning. You know, in dry spinning, polymers are extruded into warm air. The polymers, the synthetic fibers means all polymers. From these materials, we get polymers of acrylic. These are extruded into warm air. Warm air means hot air. Okay. The fibers solidify by evaporation. And the fibers solidify. Solidify means liquid stage into solid state. Solid. Okay. The fibers solidified by evaporation. Evaporation means if we heat water after 100 degrees it evaporates. Like that the wet content of these fibers solidifies by evaporation with different methods. Okay, in wet spinning, the polymers dissolved and extruded into a bath and then dried out. In wet spinning, polymers, I said no, polymers are synthetic fibers are all synthetic fibers, all synthetic fibers are polymers. Okay, acrylic is a synthetic fiber. That's why we are telling about this is polymers. These polymers dissolved, mix into water and mix and extruded into a bath and then dried out. First these are dissolved and into a bath and then dried out. Dried out. In these two ways, acrylic fibers are prepared. In the factories, the fibers are used and the fibers thickness is different for different materials. Thickness of the fibers are different for different uses, different materials. Okay. In this way, acrylic is prepared. Then, things made up of acrylic. Acrylic fibers are different thicknesses and different colors. Okay. From these fibers, some materials are prepared. What are they? Fleece, socks, sportswear and sweaters. Socks, sportswear, socks. And sportswear means so many things for used for sports. And sweaters. We use sweaters in winter season. Like these sweaters, shawls, socks are prepared with acrylic fibers. Okay. It is also used in craft yarns. So many things are prepared like bags, craft yarns, flowers. So many things are prepared with acrylic fibers. Upholstery, fabric, carpets, luggage awning, vehicle covers. Okay. Carpets, we use carpets on the floor. Okay. For these carpets, the acrylic fiber thickness is special. Okay. And luggage awning means luggage bags. Next, vehicle covers. Vehicle covers means car covers, scooter covers, like this. Covers are prepared with acrylic fibers. Next, only all these things means so many things are prepared. I am discussing some things about acrylic. Okay. This is synthetic fiber. Next, advantages of synthetic fibers. Uses or advantages of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers means I am telling acrylic, polyester, rayon, all these are synthetic fibers. Okay. In commonly, the uses of synthetic fibers I am discussing. Synthetic fibers absorb less water. It absorbs less water. For washing, less water is used. And dry at a faster rate. It absorbs less water and dry fastly. It takes less time to dry up. Okay. This is the advantage of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers absorb less water and dry at a faster rate. Okay. Next, some are even waterproof. They cannot absorb water. It is waterproof. Okay. They are durable. They are durable means if we use so many years, we can use so many years, but cotton fibers we cannot use so many years. Okay, this is durable. Less expensive. The cost of the artificial fibers or synthetic fibers are less. Common man can use common man can use this. Why it is less cost? Readily available. It is available every time. Okay, cotton is costly and it is not durable and not available every time, but readily available. All these are fabrics, synthetic fabrics. Easy for maintenance. Maintenance means washing, ironing, like this. All these are easy for uh, synthetic fibers. All these are advantages of synthetic fibers. Okay. Even here we have discussed about uses of synthetic fibers, but some disadvantages are also there. There, these synthetic fibers melt on heating. By overheating, this fiber melts. Because of this, we cannot wear it with heating. Next, if the synthetic fibers catches fire, it touches and our skin. Okay. That's why we cannot use the synthetic fibers in kitchen or laboratories. Okay. So many disadvantages also there. If we take any precautions for these disadvantages, we can use synthetic fibers. Okay. These are the things about acrylic and advantages of synthetic fibers.